Hey friends, it's Aaron from Crystal Fonts, and today we're giving you a quick update on some new products, specifically the addition of USB-C cables to our cable inventory, so stay tuned.
We have a display for that.
As you may already know, Crystal Fonts provides many cables that are specific to LCD displays, and some that aren't so specific. We're adding 4 new USB-C variants that include our WR-USB-Y58, which is a 6-foot long USB-C to micro USB cable, our WR-USB-Y59, which is a 6-foot long USB-C to USB-C cable, our WR-USB-Y60, which is a 6-foot long USB-C to USB-A cable, and finally our WR-USB-Y61, which is a 6-foot long USB-C to 4-pin 0.1-inch header, which is for use in our CFA 635. If you're interested in purchasing any of these cables, check out the link in the description below, where you'll find their bulk discounts, datasheets, compliance information, and more. If you have any questions about these cables, please leave them in the comments section below or email us directly at support@crystalfonts.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
We have a display for that.